Hi guys, this is Asha Neog. Welcome back to my channel ENG Creations. I am back with one bottle painting tutorial. For that I am using one wine bottle. I have done light yellow color as base color. I will share the link how to put the base color in my description box. So let me start. Next what I need one fan brush. This is fan brush number 4 and red acrylic color. Next I am using one pointed brush 0 and one green color. Friends, I am using one flat brush number 2 and same light green color. Okay friends, my bottle is ready. I have used only 3 brushes and 3 colors. This is a very easy method. I hope you like it. If you like it, please try this at home. Like, share and please subscribe to my channel. I'll be back soon with more interesting videos. Till then, please take care of yourself and bye-bye.